Guys, I do just a little run and what the hell? I don't know what is this, but I'm gonna see. So let's open the wheel. And what is this? What is that? Looks like hair. What the hell? So that's this and what the fuck? It really looks like hair. What? But guys, to get this on my tray shaft, I not do this.
Cody! Cody!
Okay, yeah, that's possible. Try go on a place was not adapt for a little car, but I don't know how is that possible. I'd never seen that on my RC car. So guys, I don't really know what is this, but it's very weird because I never go to a place they can get that. And what? Look at that. Yeah, that's literally hair. Let me know in the comment and thanks for watching.